Good morning, students. That day we have seen the oxidations of alcohols, mechanism of alcohols. Now the second part, hydroborations oxidation. This is the second part of oxidations. So here डाइबोरेन जो होता है वो हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट मॉलिक्यूल्स होता है. डाइबोरेन B2S6 is electron deficient molecule. So it act as a electrophile. Electron deficient atom होता है and it act as a electrophile. When this diborane treated with alkenes, so all the hydrogen atom from boron trifluoride, all the hydrogen atom from diboranes are replaced by alkenes group, and they are forming trialkyl borate, and further oxidations in the presence of H2O2 and acid, it will give alcohols. This process CH3 CH double bond CH2 BH3 is alkane diboranes, CH3 CH2 one hydrogen CH2 BH2. This compound is formed again CH3 CH double bond CH2, it will form CH3 CH2 CH2 twice. वन जो होगा आपके पास वन हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पर आ जाएगा तो ये आपके पास ट्वाइस हो जाएगा, तो आपके पास बचेगा BH. Then again this BH again treated with this alkene molecule. Then again this hydrogen comes to splitting this double bond, and this law is against the Markovnikov rule. Against the Markovnikov rule. ये है आपके पास against the Markovnikov rule. Then further oxidation. So you get CH3 CH2 CH2 OH plus BH all thrice. This is the hydroboration oxidations when alkenes treated with diboranes. Diboranes जो है हमारे पास इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट एलिमेंट्स है और मॉलिक्यूल्स है. So this is the reaction. This is the whole reaction, but equation is not balanced. So we want to balance it. Here we will write 3. 3 will write. Now equation is balanced. And here is we are not this one. We are using the base. And this overall reaction write in the short form. Overall reaction you write in the short form CH3 CH double bond CH2 3. Here we get CH3 CH2 CH2 thrice B, then oxidation, then you will get alcohol. This is the short form. This is a short form of this reaction. This is the hydroboration oxidations. So this is the short form in the 3 steps. Now next is methyl occupation of phenol. Next topic is methyl occupation of phenol. Phenol also known as carbolic acid, and first it is obtained from coal tar. Phenol is carbolic acid and first obtained by coal tar, and different methyl occupation just we discuss one by one. Now next topic is phenol, general methyl occupation of phenol. So phenol also known as carbolic acid, and first is obtained from coal tar. Nowadays it is prepared by the different methods. First method हमारे पास by the hydrolysis of diazoxide salt, जिससे हो जाता है lake method. Benzene diazoxide salt, lake method. Like aniline is treated with जो diazoxide salt है, it is an unstable compound. It is formed in the solutions by the action of HNO2. So it will form aniline. Aniline का hydrolysis करोगे, then you will get phenol. So C6H5 NH2 HNO2 to form C6H5 N2Cl. Then this compound treated with H2O heat. Here we get C6H5OH plus N2 plus HCl. So in this method you will get the phenol. This is another one by distilling phenolic acid. So phenolic acid means 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, जिसे हम लोग बोलते हैं commonly salicylic acid. 2-hydroxy, the first one is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. This is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid treated. This salicylic acid is treated with sodium hydroxide and CO. Soda lime is a mixture of NaOH and CO and heated. So it is treated with NaOH and CaO. You will get sodium phenoxide, and for the hydrolysis of sodium phenoxide you will get phenol. This is the another method of operations. By distilling phenolic acid means this is the salicylic acid, 2-hydroxybenzoic acid का आप लोग जो है सोडा लाइम के साथ ट्रीट करवाओगे. सोडा लाइम इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ NaOH and CO. जब आप ट्रीट करवाओगे तो आपके पास जो है सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड फॉर्म होगा बाय द एब्रेशन ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. दैट्स व्हाई दिस रिएक्शन इज नोन एज decarboxylation reactions. So then water molecule is treated with sodium hydrolysis of sodium phenoxide and will give you phenol. Then another one is by fusing the benzene sulfuric acid with sodium hydroxide. यदि आप बेंजीन की ट्रीट करवाओगे ओलियम के साथ, when benzene is treated with oleum, so it will give sodium sulfonic acid. Benzene is treated with oleum. Oleum is a mixture of H2SO4 and SO3, means pure sulfuric acid. So when it is treated, it will give C6H5SO3H. Water molecule is eliminated from here. SO3H. So this is treated with sodium hydroxide, benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid treated with sodium hydroxide, C6H5, then SO3Na, sodium benzene sulfonate. Here we will get a water molecule is removed. Then again it is treated with sodium hydroxide at 573 Kelvin. So Na2SO3 and other compound is removed. What you will get? You will get C6H5NO, C6H5ONA or this compound, sodium phenoxide. This compound will get from here. इसके अलावा यहाँ से जो है water molecule element होगा. Then this is treated with HCl. What will get? C6H5OH plus NaCl. We'll get this compound. This is the another method of operations. Now next is from Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent. So air is passed in the ethereal solution of Grignard reagent. So when we pass like C6H5 MgBr, then half O2 air is passed, you will get C6H5 ONA. O ethereal solution of Grignard reagent. So it is not formed sodium phenoxide by Mr. Newton. Here it will form MgBr. and hydrolysis of this compound, it will give C6H5OH plus MgOH This is the another method equation of phenol from Grignard reagent. Ethyl solution is fast. Here is fast and ethyl solution of Grignard reagent. So आपके पास एक मिल्क प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म का phenyl magnesium bromide. Then you will get after that hydrolysis of this compound you will get methyl phenol and magnesium hydroxybromide. Now next is industrial preparation of phenols. पहले जो थी आपके पास वो थी lab method. Now next is industrial preparation of phenols. So from coal tar. So जब आप ऑयल का फ्रैक्शंस करते हैं, फ्रैक्शंस होता है, डिस्टिलेशन होता है, सो मिडिल जो होता है उससे आपके पास जो मिलता है कोल tar फॉर्म होता है. सेकेंड है फ्रॉम अराइल हैलाइड्स, जिसे बोला था डाउस प्रोसेस. डाउस प्रोसेस मींस व्हेन क्लोरोबेंजीन इज ट्रीटेड विद सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. क्लोरोबेंजीन इज ट्रीटेड विद सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, तो आपके पास जो है सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड फॉर्म होगा. देन आफ्टर दैट acidifications or hydrolysis you will get the phenol. After that now chlorobenzene is heated with sodium hydroxide solution at 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressure. Chlorobenzene is heated with sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin. So here it will remove NaCl. Then water molecule, here we get sodium phenoxide C6H5ON. This compound here obtained. HCl, here we get C6H5OH plus NaCl. This is the Dawes process. Chlorobenzene is heated with sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin and 300 atmospheric pressures. So our पास मिडिल प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होगा सोडियम फिनॉक्साइड का एसिडिफिकेशंस करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट फिनॉल. नाउ थर्ड मेथड ऑपरेशन इज फ्रॉम क्यूमीन. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट इज क्यूमीन एंड हाउ इट इज फॉर्म. सो व्हेन बेंजीन इज ट्रीटेड विद प्रोपीन, तो आपका जो फॉर्म होगा क्यूमीन फॉर्म होगा. बेंजीन इज ट्रीटेड विद प्रोपीन to form cumene, 2-methyl formed by the Friedel-Crafts reactions. When benzene is treated with propene in the presence of phosphoric acid, so you will get this compound cumene. You will get cumene. This is the compound. Then here oxidation. When oxidation takes place of cumene, it will form cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide. You are thinking कि यहाँ पर एक हाइड्रोजन कहाँ है, तो अटैचिंग होगा जब हाइड्रोजन आ जाएगा यहाँ पर. That's why hydrogen is here is 2. So here is total hydrogen is 6, but here is 7. So when this carbon link, so this hydrogen link with this carbon. So cumene hydroperoxide. This cumene hydroperoxide dilute H2SO4 से treated होगा. Cumene hydroperoxide treated with dilute H2SO4, तो आपके पास जो मिलेगा वो मिलेगा आपके पास फिनॉल प्लस CH3COCH3, फिनॉल एंड एसीटोन. The important name reaction cumene, from cumene So how cumene is formed? Cumene is obtained by Friedel-Crafts reactions when benzene is treated with propene in the presence of phosphoric acid. तो हमारे पास जो फॉर्म होगा क्यूमिन फॉर्म होगा. क्यूमिन का फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशंस करेंगे तो हमारे पास क्यूमिन हाइड्रोपेरोक्साइड फॉर्म होगा. एंड क्यूमिन हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड treated with sulfuric acids, then you will get phenol and acetone. This is the method of operations of phenols. In the presence of potassium dichromate it will give ketone, and जो ketone obtained होता है it is difficult to oxidize and it will give the after that they will give the acid, and after that they will convert into carbon dioxide and water molecules. So secondary alcohol oxidation K2Cr2O7 it will give ketone. It will give ketone, and further oxidation of ketone with the difficulties. With oxidation of ketone, it will give the mixture of acids, which is, and after that oxidation of formic acid it will give the carbon dioxide water molecule, which contain the lesser number of carbon atoms. So here we will get water molecules also. Then this ketone further oxidation. Last condition difficulties, that will give CH3 COH plus HCOH. Here is oxidation. Here you will get this compound mixture of acids, and further oxidation it will give CO2 plus H2. CO2 plus H2. प्राइमरी अल्कोहल में एक जो है केमिकल यूज करोगे वो रिएक्शंस में एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं. हमारे पास ये कंपाउंड यूज होता है यदि आप इसका ऑक्सीडेशन करते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पीसीसी. सो आपके पास मिलेगा CH3CH डबल बॉन्ड CH CHO. पीसीसी होता है पैरिडियम, क्लोरोक्रोमेट. इसका यूज किया था ऑक्सीडेशंस में, फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशंस. सो हमारे पास जो होगा वाटर लिक्विड होगा, देन दिस 2 हाइड्रोक्सी 1 ब्यूट 2 in 1 और यहां पर आ जाएगा हमारे पास ब्यूट 2 in 1 अल. सो फर्दर ऑक्सीडेशंस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ पीसीसी. तो आपके पास होगा पीसीसी मींस पायरिडियम क्लोरोक्रोमेट. दिस आल्सो एज अ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. नाउ टर्शियरी अल्कोहल्स का हम लोग बात करें. सो टर्शियरी अल्कोहल डू नॉट contain hydrogen atoms. In only gastric conditions they will convert to ketone, and further oxidation of ketone it will give the lesser number of carbon atoms in the form of carbon dioxide and water molecules. Now tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohols do not contain hydrogen atom in which carbon atom link with the OH group. So in the gastric conditions this tertiary alcohol like K2Cr2O7 oblique H2SO4 की प्रेजेंस में हमारे पास जो है फॉर्म करेगा फर्स्ट कीटोन, एंड आफ्टर दैट देन दे विल फॉर्म द एसिड, एंड बोथ कीटोन एंड एसिड कंटेन लेसर नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम देन ओरिजिनल. सो दिस इज टर्शियरी अल्कोहल. K2Cr2O7 H2SO4 it will form CH3 C double bond O. Then further oxidation it will form CH3 COH plus CO2 plus H2. So all ketone as well as acid both are contain the lesser number of carbon atom than original one. This is the oxidations of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol.